I used to draw on paper with colors, and then my son, he taught me digital painting, and then for last 5 years I am drawing digitally. I draw on my pad, and the beautiful ones I take the picture, and I got it framed. My whole house is full of paintings, and I post them on Instagram. My account is blockartist28, and this is about the spermatogenesis as a cosmic evolution. This I have imagined as a testis superpower. From here, a small part digitally when you will enlarge, you will see the dark cells and the pale cells. And in the lumen, the spermatozoa are coming, and these are not charged one. After spermation, they become charged, and this is the hyperactivation one. Recently, somewhere I read that there is a small halo of light when the sperm meets, so that I have made it.
Wow.
Nice.
Lovely. So do it with a pen on an iPad.
Yeah.
Color pens and then you.
No. Initially, I used to draw. Now I draw digitally.
So how do you draw? You say.
iPad.
With the iPad, there is some pen you
Yeah,
use. No?
they give a pen.
Huh.
With that I draw. This is a print out.
Lovely. And this one?
And this one, it's a face of a girl. One half is she is not having child. She is worried. She is with tears, and the other half with scientific interventions. She has hope for the future. And when you enlarge it, you will see that it's a trinacular microscope.
Okay.
And this is the DNA tree, flourishing DNA tree, I have imagined. And this is the cycle of life, circle of life. So it's a kind of abstract painting. And the spermatozoa, you can see they are passing through a maze-like thing. And these are the obstructions they face.
Maybe polycarbonate membrane.
This I posted in the group. Yes. When you enlarge it, and you will see that this is a trinacular microscope. On the slide there are sperms also.
So thank you so much.
Thought you were
So thank you so much. Both have fun. Come. Thank you so much, everyone.